the Roush, and we're going to Import Expo, all the way in LA. I live in Temecula. If you don't know where that is, I honestly don't blame you, but it's going to be like a 2-hour drive. So let's go ahead. If your car doesn't make you say hell yeah, brother, when you start it up, what are you even driving? As we march into CaliCreaming, I'm going to pop up every so often. I'm not going to be making jokes or rambling, just going to be calling out cars that I genuinely thought were cool. The older I've gotten, the more I've come to appreciate Porsches. I adore this lineup of 996, 997s, 996.2s. I'm still kind of learning the vocabulary, but that turbo Porsche right in the beginning is what I would go for. Okay, the title of this video absolutely is I went to Import Expo, CaliCreaming in Los Angeles, so you didn't have to. So this has to be my favorite car that I saw at CaliCreaming was this Mercedes C43. While I'm not wild about the taxi yellow color, I absolutely do love that body kit, and honestly, I'm a sucker for any sort of boxy Mercedes.
Guys, who wants to win a free car ride? Who wants to win a free car ride? We got California Crossroads. It's a collaboration with Honey Box. They're giving away a full vehicle ride. Go ahead and check them out, guys. Check out their booth. They're on the right side.
Simple fact of life, if I see a Fox body, I'm going to take a look at it. The air ride suspension made this car sit right on the ground. I love the two-tone silver and blue bodywork. I love the Cobra grill on the front, but still with the GT body kit. Overall, super nice. I noticed that a couple other cars as well. It looks like they're using wood planking, or millennial gray planking for the trunk area. It probably makes mounting all the air compressor components for air rides so much easier, but I wonder if that's starting to get a little bit played out. What comes next? Shag carpeting? I think some of these cars are actually local to where I am. I've been at a few Cars and Coffees and a few Lethal Culture meets, and I've actually seen these Liberty Walk GTRs and Corvettes before. Honestly, pretty nice. The only thing is, our Liberty Walks with these types of wrap jobs starting to get played out. What are your thoughts?
Go to the booth and give you all the details.
I'm honest, I love an E86, and when I saw this 11 conversion hatchback, I had to take a closer look. The thing I love the most about it, I'm sure you notice I try and go in for a second look a little bit closer without just like getting in the car at that point, was how they had a original Game Boy down on the center console, probably used for engine tuning. I thought that was sick, super era appropriate. Love the wide body kit on it. So yeah, seeing hatchback E86 at the show was great. I had to highlight the wheels on this Supra right here, because it looks like they took the stock wheels and then they did a three-piece conversion, which I think is great. I love seeing repurposed stock wheels that are converted into three-piece wheels. I mean, honestly, the stock wheels on a Supra do look pretty nice. It's just always the fitment was very much a stock wheel, but it's cool seeing them that cool. But it's awesome seeing that these wheels were converted and are on this car. Okay, let me ask you this. I've seen this at a couple of their car shows and car meets for the past couple of years. What are your thoughts about the RC cars that people are driving around? What's your thoughts down below? You know, do these RC drift cars, do they belong here? Is this just getting in the way? Let me know. I had to call out this Celica. One, how often do you actually see a Celica anymore that isn't just, you know, rusted out and very tired? It was actually kind of cool to see this, what I would consider a throwback build of a Toyota Celica with a full body kit. It was cool seeing that it was actually a supercharged Celica. Paintwork was great, interior was great. It definitely felt like something I would see in 2004, 2005. What are your thoughts? Who here modifies Celicas? And it's honestly kind of nice to see that people are still looking at these older, kind of unloved platforms. This is absolutely a new phenomenon for me. When did modifying Toyota Camrys become cool? These two right here, kind of hard to get a lot of shots because there's just a lot of people all over the place. But they weren't the only Camrys here. And I understand the Camry TRD does have some performance credibility, but what happened in the past years that made the Toyota Camry be like, you know, regular traffic to people wanting to buy them to modify? Does anyone else honestly know? Because I absolutely have been living under a rock because I have no clue. Okay, and that was Import Expo 2025. God, it was muggy in there. A lot of cool cars, but man, there was a lot of people. I always forget that. I mean, I work from home all the time, so I'm almost constantly inside the house. If you like this kind of content, comment, like, and subscribe down below. I won't be surprised if nobody sees this because everyone and their mother in there was literally recording everything. So, oh well, this was fun. It was a nice time to get outside. I am so glad I'm in my own air-conditioned car right now, though.